Good day to everyone. My name is Jason Honoras and I am one of the presenters from Group 2. And our topic is all about building envelope systems and assemblies. And for my part, I'm going to discuss the durability of the building envelope systems. Now, to start things off, let us first define what is durability. Now, durability is the ability of a material to remain serviceable in the surrounding environment during the useful life without damage or unexpected maintenance. This means that durability is a measure of whether the building envelope is well planned or well executed. Since the materials that is going to use in making the envelope systems would be subjected into uh, degrading effects such as the corrosion, rainfall, and so on. For the factors influencing durability, we have here the materials. Now, as a designer, we have to, or we should be able to respond to the question, particularly whether would it be able to withstand or resist from the degrading effects. And for that, should be able to understand its nature and how it is. Now, for the second part, that is the environment. As a designer, we should be able to know the hazard that could potentially occur on its surrounding. So in that way, we could be able to confirm whether the materials that we're going to use has this resistance to respond on said effect. After all, nature of the material used and the way it was assembled greatly affect the durability of the building. On the third factor, which is installation, this heavily focuses on the process itself, on how it is being executed. Because when the chosen materials are poorly installed, then there's a possibility that it would cause problems in the future. For the last factor, that is maintenance, we need the heavy consideration of the preservation of the building together with the materials used. When the clients didn't experience of a heavily replacement or modification during a long period of time, then we could say that the designer made a good design because it depicts a durable building. With that being said, you shouldn't be able to have a cost-effective plan for initial and long term that is economical and along with its durability. Now that we know the factors that influence durability, we should now be able to know also its importance. That is, first, its serviceability, wherein being able to remain functional over the course of time assures safety, healthy, and steady environment. So, as a civil engineer, our main goal or priority is to ensure that our design is safe, rigid, and durable. Now, being able to meet this particular importance or aspect, then we can therefore say that we have this second importance of durability, that is the client satisfaction. Of course, if if the design weren't being able to consider the durability of the structure, then the clients would feel dissatisfied of it. Third importance, wherein it builds our reputation as a designer and also a builder. Now, designers should be able to meet expectation because ignoring such as this aspect could increase liability. Now, of course, since as an engineer, our only merit when it comes to building reputation is through our services. Hence, we should be mindful to meet the expectations that that is of course reasonable. And lastly, and as I mentioned before, that is maintenance. You know, since the materials are supposed to be uh, durable, then it helps in giving the clients a less expense when it comes to maintenance and replacement. And to end my discussion, let me end this with a quote. We live in a world where hut made of clay is more durable than brick buildings because poverty doesn't allow it to be constructed.